Hey guys, welcome back to Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make the absolutely best egg salad that you have ever had. Before we get into the video, be sure and like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Be sure to give me a thumbs up. Thanks for joining me today. Let's get into this video. Okay, the first thing you're going to need is to get you some hard-boiled eggs. I like, when I'm hard-boiling eggs, to use my pressure cooker. I have 8 eggs that I'm just going to set on the rack. Now they make things that you can use in your pressure cookers. I don't have one, so I just set them on the rack and it works just fine. Add you 1 cup of water. And this will work if you have a Instant Pot as well. I don't. I use my Power Pressure Pro. I will link it in the description below. I love this thing because you can can with it. I have a canning setting on it. I'm going to set it for, make sure it is locked up. Okay, you're going to set it for 7 minutes and bring it down. All right, 10 minutes, but you're going to cancel it at 7. All right, there it goes. Okay, so our time is up. I'm going to hit quick release. And then when that's through releasing, we'll be right back. Okay, guys, this is what we're going to do. I'm trying to get y'all close up to the shot here. Our eggs are done. We're going to pull them out and quickly put them into ice water. If you've never cooked a boiled egg in your pressure cooker, Instant Pot, whatever you have, I highly recommend it, guys. It is so easy. And it's the only way, that's the only way I will cook boiled eggs anymore. It's just absolutely amazing way to cook eggs. Right. Because you just, your peels just fall off. Like that, just slide it off. Okay, I'm gonna get these peeled off and we'll be right back. Okay, the next step of this is you're going to want to cut your eggs up. The easiest way I have found is just cut them in half. And look how pretty it is. Okay, and this, just dice them up. Egg salad is one of those things that you can make quickly, and it's always good. It's always on point. And it's extremely inexpensive. And you can feed a crowd. And that is why it is on my $5 Friday meal list. Another way you can do it, sit like this. You could also use the recipe I'm using today to make deviled eggs. I'm going to go ahead and scrape these in there. everything that I bought today is definitely under $5, and I'll show you why here in just a second. Okay, so to my eggs, I am going to add Dijon mustard, mayonnaise, I'm adding some red onion, I'm using some green onion, some sweet pickle relish. Okay. Now you could use fresh dill, or I'm using some dill weed. Salt and pepper. And our good friends over at Yellow Rose Homestead have been bragging about the seasoning. Now, if y'all have been with me long enough, you know I like Tony's. Well, they said, oh no, they're from Louisiana. They said, you've got to try Slap Your Mama. So, Chris and Stacy, I picked some up today at the grocery store. So we're going to be trying some Slap Your Mama Cajun seasoning. Because, you know, I needed a little kick in my egg salad. So I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of Slap Your Mama in there. And I will link their channel in the description below. And we are going to give this a good stir. Now, I stopped by Aldi because, you know, I love Aldi, and picked up, these are Hawaiian sweet rolls. These are $1.39 at Aldi versus $3 at the other stores. So I'm going to bring you around and we're going to finish this up. Okay, so I'm going to take a little bit of this egg salad and I'm going to put it on this Hawaiian roll. And this makes just a perfect little Hawaiian roll sandwich. I hope you will give this recipe a try. Everything was under $5, so for an entire meal. Be sure and like, share, and subscribe my videos. Please give it a thumbs up, guys, because that helps it in the algorithm and it lets YouTube know that you like my videos. Share it with a friend. Thank you so much. We'll see you guys on the next video.